Welcome to our channel Sisms. In today's video, we'll explore the top healthy foods for the rainy season, discover immunity-boosting fruits, nutritious vegetables, and comforting dishes to keep you healthy and strong during the wet weather. Stay tuned for delicious recipes and essential tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health and wellness insights.
The rainy season is here, Sisms! And while we all love a good cuddle by the fireplace, it's also the time when those nasty colds and flus decide to pay a visit. We're about to show those germs who's boss. There's a whole arsenal of delicious, healthy foods out there that will boost your immune system and keep you feeling fighting fit. So put on your aprons and let's get cooking up a storm in the kitchen. We're going to show you how to make the most of these incredible ingredients and stay healthy all season long. First up, we're tackling those sniffles head-on with a steaming bowl of goodness. Soup isn't just a meal, it's a ritual, a warm hug on a cold day. And let me tell you, a good broth is like liquid gold for your immune system. Think about it. Chicken soup, loaded with veggies and herbs, is practically a cure-all. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that will send those cold symptoms packing. But don't think you have to stick with chicken. A hearty vegetable broth or a spicy lentil soup will do the trick too. The key here is to pack in as many different vegetables as you can. Onions, garlic, ginger, these are your best mates in the fight against those pesky germs. Get creative with your spices too. Turmeric, cumin, coriander, these little beauties not only add a punch of flavor but also have anti-inflammatory properties that will give your immune system an extra boost. Roast your veggies before adding them to the broth for a deeper, richer flavor. Add a dollop of yogurt or a squeeze of lemon juice for a touch of freshness. So get those pots simmering and let's show those rainy days who's boss. Now I know what you're thinking. Leafy greens? In this weather? But trust me on this one. Leafy greens may not be the first thing that springs to mind when it's pouring rain outside, but they're an absolute must-have during the rainy season. Think of them as your secret weapon against those energy slumps and those pesky cold viruses. Spinach, kale, collard greens, these bad boys are packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and antioxidants. And don't even think about steaming them to death. We want to retain all those lovely nutrients. A quick sauté with some garlic and olive oil is all you need to bring out their natural flavors. Add them to your soups, stews, or curries for a nutritional boost. Or, if you're feeling adventurous, try them in a smoothie. Be creative, experiment with different flavors and textures, and find what works for you. Let's face it, nobody wants to be stuck inside with a cold when the sun finally decides to peek through the clouds. That's where our next secret weapon comes in, citrus fruits. These zesty little numbers are like a ray of sunshine for your immune system. Oranges, grapefruits, lemons, limes, they're all bursting with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps boost your body's natural defenses. But don't just limit yourself to a boring glass of orange juice in the morning. Get creative. Squeeze some lemon juice over your salads, add a wedge of grapefruit to your breakfast, or make a refreshing citrusy drink with lime and mint. Citrus fruits are not only good for you, but they taste fantastic too. So stock up on those oranges and lemons, and let's give your immune system the zesty boost it needs to weather any storm. Now it's time to turn up the heat. I'm talking about two of my all-time favorite ingredients, ginger and garlic. These two are like the dynamic duo of the culinary world, packing a powerful punch of flavor and a whole lot of health benefits. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory, which means it can help soothe those sore throats and stuffy noses that often come with the changing seasons. It's also great for digestion, so if the rainy weather tends to upset your stomach, a cup of ginger tea might be just what the doctor ordered. Garlic, on the other hand, is a natural antibiotic. It contains a compound called allicin, which has been shown to fight off infection and boost the immune system. Add them to stir-fries, soups, curries. The possibilities are endless. Roast them whole with a drizzle of olive oil for a delicious and healthy side dish. Or, if you're feeling brave, try a ginger and garlic shot. It's a surefire way to kickstart your immune system. Right, listen up. We're not talking about those processed white bread imposters here. We're talking about proper, wholesome grains that will fuel your body and keep you feeling satisfied for hours. Think brown rice, quinoa, oats, whole wheat bread. These are the real deal. They're packed with fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. Whole grains are also a good source of B vitamins, which are essential for energy production and mood regulation. Swap out your usual white rice for quinoa, try oatmeal with berries and nuts for breakfast, or make a hearty salad with whole wheat couscous and roasted vegetables. The options are endless, and your taste buds and your body will thank you for it. So fuel up with whole grains and stay energized this rainy season. Don't underestimate the power of these little guys. Nuts and seeds might be small, but they're nutritional powerhouses, packed with healthy fats, protein, fiber, and a whole host of vitamins and minerals. Almonds, walnuts, cashews, pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, the list goes on. They're all incredibly good for you, and they're so versatile. Sprinkle them on your salads, add them to your yogurt or smoothies, or just snack on a handful when you're feeling peckish. They're also a great source of vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. And let's not forget about those healthy fats, which are essential for brain function, hormone production, and a healthy immune system. So, next time you're feeling peckish, reach for a handful of nuts and seeds instead of those processed snacks. Your body will thank you for it. Now let's talk about gut health, shall we? You might not think it's important, but a healthy gut is absolutely crucial for a strong immune system. Yogurt is a natural source of probiotics, which are live bacteria that are beneficial for your gut health. They help keep your digestive system running smoothly and can even boost your immune system. But not all yogurts are created equal. Look for yogurts that contain live and active cultures and try to avoid those sugary flavored ones. Plain yogurt is best, and you can always add your own fruit, honey, or nuts for flavor. If you're not a fan of yogurt, there are other ways to get your daily dose of probiotics. Kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha are all great options, so give your gut some love this season with a daily dose of probiotics. When the weather's cold and dreary, sometimes all you want is a big bowl of comforting food. And that's where root vegetables come in. Think carrots, potatoes, sweet potatoes, beets. They're all naturally sweet, satisfying, and packed with nutrients. Root vegetables are a great source of fiber, which is important for digestion and can help regulate blood sugar levels. They're also a good source of vitamin A, which is essential for healthy vision, skin, and immune function. Roast them, mash them, puree them into soups. The possibilities are endless. Add a drizzle of olive oil and some herbs for extra flavor, or get creative with spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger. Root vegetables are the perfect way to add some warmth and comfort to your meals during the colder months. Let's be honest, there's nothing quite like a warm cup of tea on a chilly day. But we're not talking about your average cuppa here. We're talking about herbal teas, those magical infusions packed with flavor and health benefits. Ginger tea is great for soothing sore throats and nausea. Chamomile tea can help you relax and get a good night's sleep. Echinacea tea is known for its immune-boosting properties, and peppermint tea can help with digestion. The best part about herbal teas is that they're so easy to make. Just steep a tea bag or some loose herbs in hot water for a few minutes, and you're good to go. So ditch the sugary drinks and reach for a cup of herbal tea instead. Listen up, because this is crucial. Just because it's not scorching hot outside doesn't mean you can slack off on the hydration. In fact, staying hydrated is just as important during the rainy season, if not more so. When it's cold and damp, we tend to lose more fluids through our breath and skin. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and a weakened immune system. Not exactly what you want when you're trying to fight off those pesky colds. So, make sure you're drinking plenty of fluids throughout the day. Water is always the best choice, but you can also opt for herbal teas, clear broths, and even fruits and vegetables that are high in water content, like watermelon and cucumber. Carry a water bottle with you at all times and sip on it regularly. Remember, staying hydrated is one of the simplest yet most important things you can do for your health, no matter the weather. There you have it, folks. A culinary arsenal to keep those pesky colds and flus at bay. Eating healthy during the rainy season doesn't have to be boring. With these simple tips and tricks, you can enjoy delicious, nourishing meals that will boost your immune system and keep you feeling your best. So incorporate these ingredients into your diet, experiment with different flavors and recipes, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Leave a comment below with your favorite rainy day recipes, and subscribe to my channel for more healthy living tips. Stay healthy and happy, Sisums.